I am so obsessed with the look that I was able to make from this month's BoxyCharm base box. To start this look off, I mixed a dollop of the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer along with the Jekka Black Glow Drops. I mixed them together and used it for my primer. For my eyes, we got this liquid duo from the Beauty Crop. One side is matte and one side's metallic. To create the look, I took the matte side and put it all over the lid and slightly into my crease, and I pulled it out slightly on the edge. I then took my favorite bronzer shade and just softened up the edge of the liquid shadow, and then I put the metallic all over the lid. Next, from the brand Allure, we got Stack the Odds. This is a cream product, and it comes with a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. It's got the cutest packaging and also a mirror. I used the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight for my look, and I also used the highlight for my brow bone, inner corner, and the very center of my eyelid for the eye look. These blended out like a dream. They are amazing. To finish everything off, we got a brand new mascara to try from the brand Beauty for Certain. I really love the wand on this. It's thinner in the middle and then thicker on the outer edge. That's typically my favorite type of mascara wand, and I would say she did the trick. I'm super happy that I'm able to make a full face of makeup from this month's box. Let me know in the comments down below, did you get your box yet? Are you still waiting on it? And what are you hoping to get? Bye.